The Richard Azan-trained Mojito returns from a 3.5-month break as the anti-post favourite for Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. Here's Spencer Darlington with our racing preview.
Last season's Jamaica Cup winner Mojito makes his seasonal debut when he takes on 5 rivals in Saturday's 11th running of the St. Cecelia Cup for open allowance runners over 6.5 furlongs. The 6-year-old grey horse, who will be partnered by Bebita Harvey, is the 6-5 anti-post favourite. He's followed in the overnight odds by Sir Don at 7-5 with 2-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman, Wall Street Trader at 5-2 with Christopher Mamdeen, and Goodbye Firefly, the mount of apprentice Tajay Saku at 7-2. Mojito, who last raced in the Mute Mile on December 6, may be race rusty, but his exercise gallop for 7 furlongs in 1 minute 26 3/5 last Sunday morning suggests he's in fine fettle. Despite carrying top weight of 126 pounds, he's expected to use his Grade 1 experience to good effect and get the better of this lineup. Wall Street Trader and the up-in-class pair of Sir Don and Goodbye Firefly should complete the frame. The lineup is completed by Allegiance with apprentice Joe Haynes and Zulu Warrior to be ridden by apprentice Tyrese Anderson. First post for the 9-race card is 12:15 p.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.